everyone, I'm Andrew Romines with Team Romines at Keller Williams Realty, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: renovation versus new construction. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home or build from scratch, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of each option. So let's dive right in. Renovation is a process of transforming an existing space, and it can be a fantastic choice for many homeowners. One significant advantage is cost savings. Renovations generally tend to be more budget-friendly than building from scratch, as you're working with an existing structure. You can update your home to your liking without breaking the bank. Another benefit of renovating is preserving the character and history of your home. If you have an older house with unique architectural details, renovation allows you to maintain its charm while modernizing it to meet your needs. Plus, it can be a rewarding experience to bring new life to a property with sentimental value. Now let's explore new construction. Building a brand new home offers its own set of advantages. Firstly, customization is key. You have the freedom to design your dream home exactly how you envision it, with the layout, finishes, and features tailored to your preferences. It's a blank canvas where you can unleash your creativity. New construction also provides an opportunity for energy efficiency. With advancements in building materials and technologies, you can incorporate eco-friendly features like solar panels, insulation, and energy-efficient appliances. This not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also saves you money in the long run through reduced energy bills. Of course, like any decision, there are also cons to consider. Renovations can sometimes be more time-consuming and disruptive, especially if you're still living in the space. Dealing with unexpected issues or limitations of the existing structure can also add complexity to the project. On the other hand, new construction can come with higher upfront costs. From acquiring the land to architectural designs and permits, the expenses can add up quickly. It's essential to budget carefully and have a clear understanding of all the associated costs before embarking on a new construction project. In the end, the decision between renovation and new construction depends on your specific circumstances and preferences. If you're on a tighter budget or want to preserve the existing character, renovation may be the way to go. But if customization and energy efficiency are top priorities, new construction might be the better choice. We hope this video has shed some light on the pros and cons of renovation versus new construction. Remember to evaluate your needs, weigh the advantages and disadvantages, and consult with professionals to make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more real estate and home improvement tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.